Good day, my viewers. You are welcome to Option Mathematics under the Taskmaster series. Our topic for today is standard form and indices. You can have access to this question we are solving today by visiting tinyurl.com/option01. Standard form is a way of writing number in the form a times 10 raised to the power n. We can achieve this by moving our decimal point to the right if the number is less than 1 and to the left if the number is greater than 1. To the first question, express 456000 in standard form. To do this, find a way of putting the decimal point in front of the first significant number. In this case, the first significant number is 4. Then move the decimal point. We moved it 5 times, so our answer becomes 4.56 times 10 raised to the power 5. The next question, express 12354.6 in standard form. Same method, put the decimal point in front of the first significant, in this case 1. We also move the decimal point in 4 places, so our answer becomes 1.23546 times 10 raised to the power 4. For a number less than 1, 0.00073 is less than 1. Same method, put the decimal point in front of the first significant number, but we will have a negative index of 10. The answer becomes 7.3 times 10 raised to the power minus 4. Write 6.2 times 10 raised to the power 5 in full. To do this, move the decimal place in 5 places to the front. Put zeros in the empty spaces. That gives us 620000. For number 5, convert 4.5 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 to a number. In this case, we will move the decimal point to the left because we have negative index. Write your 4.5, then you move the decimal places. Put zeros in the empty spaces. We will have 0.0045. X raised to the power 3 times x raised to the power 4. Since the bases are the same, both bases are x. So use the addition law. That gives us x raised to the power 3 plus 4, which is equal to x raised to the power 7. Number 7 question, 2 raised to the power 5 times 2 raised to the power 3. Using addition law as the bases are the same, that gives us 2 raised to the power 5 plus 3, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 8. For division of indices, we will use subtraction law. Y raised to the power 6 divided by y raised to the power 2 will become y raised to the power 6 minus 2, which is equal to y raised to the power 4. 5 raised to the power 7 divided by 5 raised to the power 4 will become 5 raised to the power 7 minus 4, which is equal to 5 raised to the power 3. Power law. Remember, bracket means times. So p raised to the power 3 all raised to the power 2 becomes p raised to the power 3 times 2, which is equal to p raised to the power 6. 3 raised to the power 2 all raised to the power 4 equals 3 raised to the power 2 times 4, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 8. Zero law. Any number raised to the power 0 equals 1. So q raised to the power 0 equals 1. Likewise, 7 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Negative power. Negative power means reciprocal. So m raised to power minus 3 is equal to 1 all over m raised to power 3. 10 raised to power minus 2 is equal to 1 all over 10 raised to power 2, which is equal to 1 all over 100. Is fractional index. Fractional index means root. Raised to power 1 over 2 means square root. Raised to power 1 over 3 means cube root. So x raised to power 1 over 2 means square root of x. Likewise, 27 raised to power 1 over 3 means cube root of 27, which is equal to 3. Question 18. If 2 raised to power x equals to 8. To solve this, find a way of making 8 in its index form. So that gives us 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 raised to power 3. Now we write 8 as 2 raised to power 3. So we will have 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 3. Since the bases are equal, cancel out the base 2. What do we have left? X equals 3. If 5 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 125. Find a way of expressing 125 in index form. Dividing, we have 125 divided by 5, that's 25, divided by 5, that is 5, then 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So we write 125 as 5 raised to power 3. So we have 5 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 5 raised to power 3. Cancel out the base. We have x plus 1 is equal to 3. Take 1 to the other side. We have x equals 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. And the last question, 10 raised to power minus y is equal to 0.01. 0.01 in fraction is 1 all over 100, which can also be written as 1 all over 10 raised to power 2. Using negative index law, we can take 10 raised to power 2 to become our numerator by changing the power to negative 2. So 10 raised to power minus y equals 10 raised to power minus 2. Cancel out the base. We have minus y is equal to minus 2. Divide both sides by minus. Our answer is y equals 2. Thank you for watching to the end. Keep watching, keep solving. Please subscribe and share.